Let's make vegan lemon chia seed muffins. They're also gluten-free and sugar-free with the most wonderful lemony flavour. The recipe is quick and easy. Let's start! Here are the ingredients we'll need: zest of 1 lemon, veggie oil, lemon essence, chia seeds, baking powder, a mix of rice and almond flour, coconut milk drink, and ripe bananas instead of sugar. If you want to use plain flour instead of rice flour, check the description. Start by mixing almond flour, rice flour, baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Okay, now mash the bananas and add them to the bowl. Then pour in the oil and lemon essence, followed by lemon zest and coconut milk. Give everything a good mix until you get a uniform batter. Finally, add in the chia seeds. You want to do this last and be quick with the next steps to keep the seeds from swelling and losing their crunchiness. You can also use poppy seeds if you fancy. Grab your muffin tin and grease it. Alternatively, you can line it with muffin cases. Now, fill each muffin mold with batter all the way up and give it a rough dome shape. Now, bake your muffins in the preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius or 355 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. Once ready, leave them to cool down on a rack. You made it! Well done! Enjoy these vegan and gluten-free lemon chia seed muffins made with nothing but simple plant-based ingredients. If you love this kind of healthy recipes, subscribe to our channel as we publish new ones every week. Thanks for watching. Bye!